Hi cuties, welcome back to another skincare video. As you guys know, I love skincare, so let's talk about my favorite ingredient today, which is niacinamide. Niacinamide basically is vitamin B3, which helps to boost the collagen production of our skin, and it evens out the skin tone and makes our skin soft and elastic. Like, देखो काफी cute है. So, personally, I really love True Therapy's niacinamide serum. I tried other brands before, but didn't really like their formulation. It was too watery. Apply it together. I really love the formulation. See, I usually apply 3 dots, like one on my forehead. Oops, oops. Okay, chalega, chalega. So yeah, really love the serum. One of the best I've tried. Hope you guys give this brand a try. Really love it. And niacinamide over everything else. Bye bye.